This is the $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase, personally inviting you to hang with me at the Mobile Beat DJ Conference this February in Las Vegas. It's right on the Strip at the Riviera Hotel and Casino, where you will be treated like me, a millionaire. That's if you have what it takes to play with the big dogs. We'll chill with rock stars, party at the top of the Riv, and have an all-around wild time. Remember, everybody's got a price for the $1 Million Man, and for you, it's the price of a pass for Mobile Beat Vegas. But seriously, you will learn from the best in the industry how you can become a $1 million DJ, or at least how to win big at business and in the ring of life. My keynote seminar, Champion in Any Field, will show you how focus, discipline, perspiration, and passion will bring you greater success in everything you do. DJ industry leaders will also provide you with the tools you need to build your skills in business, performance, technology, and much more in dozens of power-packed seminars and workshops. You can drink in the excess of awesome gear on the exhibit floor, with expanding hours giving you an extra day to check out the latest and greatest in DJ technology and other profit-making products. You'll also find sweet deals that will get you what you need and keep more of your dollars in your pocket. Party like the $1 Million Man every night at events including awesome artist appearances and a new after party brought to you by a posse of great sponsors. Other daily events will keep the show constantly buzzing, like DJs streaming live on YouTube from the casino floor. Look for big announcements and the latest info on the parties, artists, and meet and greet events at mobilebeat.com. They say iron sharpens iron, and that means that you will become a stronger performer by networking with your peers. The Mobile Beat Show is unparalleled